Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Jumpman Jack TR by Jordan Brand, American rapper and producer Travis Scott, and his American DJ and record producer Chase B in the Black Knight Silver colorway. These were released in late December 2025 for the retail price of £185 here in the UK. It comes in a glow-in-the-dark mint green box with the Trex and Cactus Jack branding on the lid. The shoes come in black paper wrapped in white paper. Extra accessories include coral pink, silver 3M striped black and white laces. I love the packaging, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is another example of how a shoe looks better in person than in the photos. I'll be honest, I wasn't too interested in this release until I saw a pair in hand at Foot Patrol London. That illusion green glow in the dark outsole really pops. The black mesh and grey suede overlays adds a nice contrast with the hit of coral pink Jumpman branding at the tongue. I love the ostrich level details at the 4-foot strap, and the hit of silver reflective 3M at the piping adds an extra pop. Speaking of pop, the green and pink branded insoles are definitely out there, similar to the eye-catching outsole. On feet I went down half a size. They fit more like an Air Force, which are a little bit baggy, but you can stay true to size if you do have wider feet. Overall, I like the mix of the toned down grey and black uppers with the more fun reflective glow hits. As usual, purchase links to my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment Chase to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Let me know if you managed to check this out in hand. Are they better in hand or did you just pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.